What's up, guys? So let's get started. So today what we're going to be doing is, you guys, today we're going to be using this Master Camo. This one is a color correcting stick from Maybelline, and you always have questions on how to color correct all these dark circles, so that's what we're going to do for you guys today. If you guys want to learn how to color correct, then keep on watching. Just going with this Master Chrome pencil little thing. This is a twisty up. It even has a doe foot applicator, so I'm guessing you just keep going and keep going until product comes out. Obviously, shake it a little bit. So I guess this is a okay, so you can see the product coming out a little bit right there. So you guys, this is like an apricot kind of color, and the reason why we're going to do that, we use this, is we're going to use it to color correct all of our dark circles, so which is right underneath our eye, right there. And I like that it does actually have a doe foot applicator, and you do not want to drag your what do you call it, your corrector too far down. If you know, I don't have dark circles right here. So I want to use that focus and really leave it in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it all along my dark circle area. And we are going to hide this beard that I got right there, because sometimes, guys, that comes through as well. And then we're gonna go right along here as well. So basically I'm going everywhere where my hair shows, guys. And I know this is a lot of work, but a lot of you guys out there want to know how to do this, guys, because it does make a difference. So the first don't drag that that corrector all the way down. Also, only put the corrector where you really need it. So like all my 5 o'clock shadows, my mustache area, my cheek area, because my hair grows right along my cheek line, and also all around the jaw as well. So you don't want to put extra product everywhere else, just because you only want to get the areas that you know that you need. And you don't need a lot, guys. So I'm gonna put a little bit right there. And since I am a man, guys, I am a man, I have a lot more areas that I do need to color correct. Vice versa, you guys, you women. I know there's men watching as well, so that's why it's pretty good. This video will be for you guys as well. It's not only for women. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I am going to blend this out with a brush. The reason why I don't want to use a beauty sponge is because if I use a beauty sponge, it's gonna smear everywhere, and that's what I do not want, guys. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Morphe brush, and I'm really gonna pat this around the area that I blended it in, that I put it. So naturally it's gonna come a little bit further down. That's okay, but you don't want to go all the way down, guys. And then right here I can actually blend it a little bit more out, just because I get hair all over here, so it's fine if I do have a little bit excess of product. But you guys see the majority of the product is right where I want it. And what I'm doing is I'm really just patting I'm just really patting it in, so that way it locks in place and it doesn't smudge or move. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure it's blended like the way it is. As you guys can see on my face, it's blended. So what a lot of people forget to do when they are color correcting is to set it with like a powder. And the reason why you guys should set this thing, all you're doing when you guys do not set this is you're mixing this orange corrector with your foundation and your concealer. That's just the reality of it, guys. So when you do that, all you're doing is mixing everything together, and it's not doing the job. The color corrector is not working. So what you have to do, and what you should do, guys, in my opinion, is you guys should set it. And I don't mean bake this whole shit, no, because you're gonna put your foundation on top. So I like to get like a really lightweight powder. I use my LA Girl Pro powder in the shade Creamy Natural, and I grab this on a really fluffy brush like this. You don't want something too dense because then it'll start baking. Grab a little bit of that powder and I will start setting that color corrector. So that's what you guys want to do, is you guys want to set this color corrector just a tad bit. So for the under eyes, I'm gonna just blend out a little bit because they're gonna get into the creases. And look up and just pat underneath the eye. So now we're gonna be going in with our foundation. I'm gonna be going ahead and taking this foundation from Makeup Revolution, and we are gonna apply our foundation now. So now you guys can apply the foundation once you set it. It won't get cakey, guys. If you know how to blend out your foundation and everything, it's never got cakey. This has always worked on my clients. No complaints, no issues. You guys guys gotta be really experienced with makeup and learn how to use the products correctly, and then you guys, it won't get cakey. So now I'm going to be going ahead and taking my foundation brush. This is the Morphe E7, and we're going to pat. So make sure you guys, when you guys are doing this, you guys want to pat the foundation in. You do not want to smear it. You don't want to go like that. It takes away the coverage, so do not do that. And you guys, there are no rules to makeup. Remember that. You are an artist. You do what you want to do. What I'm doing is I'm just showing you the way I think it's the correct way to do color correction, just by experience and makeup knowledge. I've been doing makeup for a long time now, guys, and this is what I do, because I already know people are gonna come for me and they're gonna be like, oh, what are you talking about? You can't be telling people what to do and what not to do. No, this video is for the people who want to know how I color correct and how I get, you know, a flawless color correction, you know. Now we're going to be going in with our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're going to be concealing everything now. So now we're going to go on top of the forehead. I always go on the top of my forehead. We're going to go in a triangle motion underneath the eyes. Down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin. Just like that, guys. Now what we're going to do is we're going to blend out with my Morphe sponge and blend out all of this. Alright guys, so then now that my concealer is all prepped and ready to go, I'm going to be taking my Dermablend powder. I set. So you guys see, just like that, I set all of those areas. Now guys, this is another part that we have to do. So I'm gonna grab a big powder brush just like this, take that same powder that I was using and really dig into this powder, you guys, the LA Girl one, and really just set those perimeters of the face, set this mug and foundation in. So now I'm going to be taking this Anastasia contour in the shade Cinnamon, and I'm going to be taking that on another Morphe brush. I'm really going to get in there I really like this color for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the back of my hairline, just like so. So just like that, guys, it looks super pretty. It really does, actually. Now I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush to sweep away that bakage, just because it looks, I don't want to leave it on there for too long. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys love how I color correct, and you guys see like no shadows, no 5 o'clock shadows are coming through. None of them are coming through, guys. I really recommend it, guys, if you guys want to pick this up. Just look how flawless my makeup looks, guys. So I really like this product. If you guys can, go out and purchase it. It's a really bomb corrector. Just remember to set your corrector. That's just my opinion. If you guys have any requests, please leave them down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I know it's somewhere down there, so hit that shit so that way you guys can know every time I upload. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I love you guys so much, and remember, if you guys are not subscribed, subscribe again right now. And that's pretty much it, guys. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video.